fellow fan geeks, it's your fangirl Tally, and it's time for another editor hubby request. Game of Thrones, Jon Snow song, When the Wolves Cry Out, by Miracle of Sound. Let's do this. You know I love me some Game of Thrones. And who did not love some Jon Snow? I had me a huge crush, no lie. Kinda hard not to crush on Jon Snow. Rugged, stubborn.
When the wolves cry out, echoes in the old walls, distant are the calls on the winter's wind. When the wolves cry out, honoring the black bonds held in the beyond as the lights stay dim.
Like a tree, creepy.
Sometimes the last in line are the ones who last in time. Blood on the snow, blood on the ashes. I'm not ashamed of what I am. Make it my own, make it my
He was a badass. You gotta give him that.
ashamed of what I am. Honor calls, casting away the final mist of doubt. When the wolves cry out, the smallest they will grow great. No more shall we wait to rejoin the pack. They will heed my shout. So much have I lost here. Loves I held so dear, taken by the black. Sometimes the lost bloodlines are the ones who last in time. Blood on the snow, blood on the ashes. I'm not ashamed of what I am. Make it my own, make it my castle. I'm not ashamed of what I am. Honor calls, casting away the final mists of doubt. When the wolves cry out.
Wow. This is such an awesome song. It is so perfect for Jon. It's like, yes, he is this kind of badass. You know? Because he is.
Breaking up the cycle, throws the river idle, winter on the walls. Grudges to be unlearned, reach out to the unlearned, flame to cover all. Blood on the snow, blood on the ashes. I'm not ashamed of what I am. Make it my own, make it my castle. I'm not ashamed of what I am. Honor calls, casting away the final mists of doubt. When the wolves cry out. When the wolves cry out. Cry out, breaking up the cycle. Thoughts are ever idle, winter on the walls. Cry out, breaking up the cycle. Thoughts are ever idle, winter on the walls.
That's such a kick-ass song. I loved it. That is going on a playlist right away. No lie. No lie, no lie, no lie. What did you guys think? Comment below. Let me know. Like this video. Hit subscribe right away, right away, right away. Hit that notification bell. Notifications turned on so you know when we drop our videos. And I will see you in the next one because this was awesome and I just want to listen to more. Bye, guys!